Hi all, this is Harini. Welcome back to our channel Code with Harini. Today we are going to solve September Day 8 LeetCode challenge, which is convert integer to a sum of two no zero integers. No zero integers means it should not have any zeros in the numbers which you are going to select. Okay, so is a positive integer that does not contain zero in its decimal representation, which is in 10. So given an integer n, return a two list of integers to a, b, where a and b are no zero integers and a plus b equals to n. So the test cases are generated so that at least one valid solution will be there. So if there are so many valid solutions, you can return any of them. So that's what they mentioned. So n equals to 2, we are returning 1 and 1. Here n equals to 11, we can't return 1 comma 10 because 10 will have zeros, right? So you have to return 2 comma 9 or 8 comma 3. Yeah, this is the question and the examples. Let's just take a look how we are going to approach this question. Got it? Now as they have given n equals to 11, we can't take 1. So generally what we will do, we can return any answer, right? So first we'll take our a as a 1 and b is equal to n minus a. That will be our starting case. So a equals to 1 means b equals to 10. So we can, so what we'll do, if you have to convert a number that is present, the 0 is present, it is tough, right? We have to keep on dividing by 10 and you have to keep on checking 0 is there, 0 is there, right? But if you convert it into a string, you can easily check at logarithmic of n. So what we are going to do, we'll be checking, we'll be converting the 1 and 10, we'll be checking whether 0 is present and a string of a plus string of b. What we are doing means, so a plus b will, it is a string and we will be checking any present, which means then what we are going to do, we can increase our a because this is the smallest and decrease our b. B minus or equals to 1. So now our a will get increased to 2, our b will get increased to 1. So now and till when it has to go, while a less than or equals to b to the max. But because if it crosses b, again it will be the same, right? So yeah, for example, if a goes 50 and our n is 100, b will be 50. So already we would have calculated the from 100 to 50, right? There is no point of calculating from again 51, b 49, all this, because we would have calculated. That's why we have given and a less than or equals to b. Till then we'll keep on checking whether 0 is present in any of the things. Got it? So by then we know if no 0% it will get break. They also mentioned like we have one valid solution, so we'll be returning a comma b as a answer. So then let's take a example of n equals to 1001. So now we are a equals to 1, b equals to 1000, right? Now we see 1 1 0 0 will be a string. Now we see 3 zeros. So now our a will become 2 and our b minus or equals to 1 will become 999. So yeah, now we don't have any zeros. Now it will return. So like this. Yeah, this is the exact approach that we have used to solve the question. Yeah, let's take a look. So see, we have given a equals to 1 and b equals to n minus c. So now until we have zeros in string of a and b, will be always running through this loop, adding a, increasing a and decreasing b until a less than or equals to b and 0% in the nums. If not, then we are returning b because we can return any. If there are many valid solutions, you can return any of them. Got it? But it should not have only zeros. So time complexity for this will be, we'll be traversing through the to the max logarithmic of, so we are going, if it is n, we will be going already log n, right? Will be not going, so will be like log n star log n. So this log n is for converting string and checking zeros, and this is for finding the a b. So to the max will be going a less than or equals to b, which will be half of the n. So yeah. So for each a and b will be checking, convert the string, and we will be checking, right, whether that zero is present. So worst case it could be tell the log n, and space complexity is order of 2, which is nothing but order of 1. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be glad to assist. So the GitHub link to the solutions will be provided in the video description for your reference. If you find this video helpful, I would appreciate if you could like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching.